If you are still relying solely on standard AI models in 2026, you are genuinely making your daily workflow much harder than it has to be. I am about to reveal 3 specialized AI websites right now that feel completely unfair because they offer such a massive competitive advantage for scaling your business efforts. Stick with me all the way through this presentation because the final tool we're covering is fundamentally altering how we process and visualize raw business data across the web. Seriously, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into the first game-changing resource I've discovered this month. Our first heavy lifter is a tool called Browse AI, which solves the massive headache of spending entire days manually gathering competitive intelligence from the web. Imagine training a personal data gathering robot to follow specific instructions on any given website in literally less than 2 minutes flat. For example, you can instruct this bot to instantly notify you the very moment a key competitor updates their public pricing structure, giving you immediate market awareness. Better yet, you can automate the tedious process of pulling massive lead lists, perhaps securing 500 targeted contacts from a key industry platform without ever touching a line of code. This isn't just about collecting data, it's about deploying a tireless virtual assistant that works 24/7 to give your business the information edge it desperately needs to win. Moving on to our efficiency expert. This next tool addresses the massive bottleneck of high-quality audio production that plagues nearly every modern marketing team. The tool is 11 Labs, and it completely revolutionizes how you create voiceovers by offering near-flawless, professional voice cloning technology. You simply train the AI with a short sample, and it masters your unique vocal signature so accurately that even you will struggle to distinguish the generated audio from the real thing. This means you can transform any internal memo, lengthy blog article, or simple sales script into a polished, broadcast-ready advertisement or podcast segment in under a minute. Think about the immediate impact on your content velocity when you can generate dozens of personalized voice tracks for different regional markets without ever stepping into a sound booth again. Alright, here is the game changer I promised you, the one secret weapon that finally makes the entire concept of AI hype feel genuinely real and applicable to your strategy. The website is Napkin AI, and its genius lies in instantly solving the universal problem of translating complex, abstract business concepts into immediately digestible visual aids. You simply take a dense paragraph, maybe it's a strategic roadmap or a detailed process breakdown, and paste it directly into the tool's input field. Within seconds, the AI dynamically generates impeccably structured professional diagrams, sophisticated flowcharts, and clear analytical infographics right before your eyes. This powerful capability means you can finally take those dusty, boring written plans and convert them into viral-ready, easily understandable visuals that actually drive stakeholder alignment immediately. The honest truth of the current AI revolution is that success doesn't come from knowing the biggest model, but from finding the exact specialized tool that recaptures a significant amount of your valuable working time daily. I have placed direct, clickable links to all 3 of these essential, game-changing resources immediately in the written description box, right under this video player. I am genuinely curious to know which of these 3 strategic advantages you plan to integrate into your business operations first. So please share your choice down in the comment section below. Furthermore, if this deep dive provided you with actionable shortcuts, please honor that by tapping the like button and subscribing to ensure you don't miss my next report on hidden tech. Thank you for watching this breakdown, and I look forward to catching up with you again very soon in the next video update.